You know, kung wala itong flood control, we met with S&P, they were ready to give us a credit rating upgrade
This year?
this year.
Sana.
Sana.
Yes, when we met with them last week,
But after all
they
of
were
this,
ready. We were already going to be a notch upward.
but
So nakakapanghinayang. So I feel like
So, i-maintain lang nila, Sec, or
Possible
mag-downgrade?
to downgrade because of
well, we want them to maintain it.
but there's a big
Pero-
chance sir na ibaba yung credit rating.
Hindi ko alam. There's a big chance na may maintain. There was a bigger chance to make credit rating upgrade.
Pero specifically sir, sinabi nila na the flood control.
Yes, definitely. If I were in their shoes, ganun din. Governance eh. Diba? We have to improve on that. And I'm convinced that we will be able to do it. It'll take us a few months to finish all of that. Right?